Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to talk about my charging board. I put this together about a year ago or so, and it's really helped me out a lot in my channel. And I've been getting a few questions about, well, how do I handle my charging problems? And there's really never been much of a problem. Before this it was, because I'd have my GoPro batteries in one area, I'd have my drone battery in another area, my portable lights in another area, and it was going to be a pain. So I put this together about a year ago, and it's been working really good. I do want to make some changes because it's not really that portable. It appears as though it is, but it really is nothing protecting it as I move it around. So real quickly, what I have here is basically just a power strip, and I have my batteries for my GoPro. I have the charging spot here for my Rode recording device that I currently have on me now that clips on here that I can charge up. I have my AA and my AAA charging station here. This is the Power Owl charging station, and I use this all the time. I did upgrade this a while back. I think it was the 8 or the 6, and I upgraded it to the 12. And this has really been helpful because a lot of my portable lights run off the AA and the AAA batteries. So this one right here I'd probably use the most along with my GoPro. Then I have my charging brick ready to rock and roll as well. We have my USB ports here that kind of feeds all this stuff. My drone battery, my RC battery, the Craftsman 20 volt battery. I have multiple charges of these, so I could actually put one of those charges on here. And I use this for my flashlight and a couple of other things. I'm thinking about actually using this 20 volt battery on a lot of other projects. I do have a couple of Milwaukee tools as well, again with some lighting and stuff, so I have that on here as well. So that pretty much covers everything on this board itself. Basically one plug, one strip takes care of it all. Now what I would like to do is put some sides on this and possibly a top, because when I transport this, if I'm off site, I bring this with me. And I know some other people, they'll have something really nice in their van or something like that, but I don't really have that set up. So I think I'm going to make this like with a carrying case to bring along with me. So if you don't have a charging board, you really want to construct something, because this is going to save you a lot of time and money. Because the last thing you want to do is go film something and have a dead battery. This particular one that I use right here, I've always got a fresh battery at all times. I usually keep like a little box of the batteries that are charged or not charged. And my next board, I think I'm going to build something that actually has a place to put the dead ones and the fully charged ones. Again, the Power Owl battery brick here, this is a must-have. I used a lot of those little small lights that you get from the dollar store to put behind things, and those work really good. So this is definitely a must on that. I hope this helps you with your charging board that you may be constructing. Again, this has just been, some people have asked me what I've been doing. This is how I do it. There's a lot of fantastic ideas out there. Just pick something that works for you. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.